You will love the features of this 2019 Lincoln Nautilus. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a smooth, well-equipped Nautilus, the midsize two-row luxury crossover that prioritizes passenger comfort and driving pleasure. You'll love its punchy performance and thoughtful use of the latest technology to help you stay connected, focused, and confident so you can make the most of every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, power liftgate, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, electronic stability control, seat memory, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, a serene sanctuary with a powerful heart. That's the Nautilus. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.